Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will explore Kerobokan area in Denpasar. If you want to know how the situation right there at the moment in September 2021, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? I hope you are fine. Okay guys, today we will see how lula the situation at the moment in Kerobokan area. In Kerobokan area, there is one Denpasar court jail. Denpasar court jail is meant like when people do mistake, maybe they do drug, they stay there. I'm sorry, I don't really understand how to reading in the English. I'm really sorry about that. It's because my English still so bad. I'm really sorry. Okay guys, let's keep continue see how the situation at the moment in this area, in Kerobokan area, Denpasar. And usually in this area is very busy around 9 a.m. until 11 a.m. and they'll start busy again in the afternoon, start from 3 p.m. until 5 p.m. But today I took this video around 12 p.m. so it's look not so busy, but actually busy. In the right side, yeah, there is wholesale shop. A lot of business people from other country come to that shop to buy a lot of stuff, and they export from Bali to other country, and then they sell again in their country. And you see the right side, there is traditional market. Actually, in this area, there is a lot local people stay here. I mean, there is not so many hotels, souvenir shop, and restaurant for tourism. So that's why this area is mostly lots local people drive around in this area. And also some business people from our country, they buy a lot of stuff here to export, because in this area there is full wholesale price. Okay, you see left side, there is Denpasar court jail. How do you say actually, jail or jail? I'm sorry, my English is very bad. It look big, isn't it? This jail opening on year 1979 and capacity people inside is 1,000. This look big, isn't it? Okay guys, if you see the weather today, it's very beautiful. It's very clear. It's very nice to drive around to the beach. If I turn left, there is the way to go to Kuta, but I keep straight down to explore Kerobokan area. Okay guys, I want to say really thank you very much for your support this channel, because you're already watching the videos on this channel. You already comment, like, also you subscribe this channel. Thank you very much to do that. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching my video, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.